Imagine a man at the pinnacle of world power who, instead of indulging in luxury and temptation, chose a path of virtue, justice, and self-improvement. Marcus Aurelius, one of the most renowned Stoic philosophers, was the Roman emperor from 161 to 180 AD. He devoted time to writing Meditations, a collection that has become one of the most important works in Stoic philosophy. His reflections are not just words on a page, but a guiding light for millions seeking peace and happiness. In this video, we'll explore 5 valuable lessons from Marcus Aurelius to help you cultivate a clear mind and think more rationally. These lessons will not only help you face challenges, but also guide you toward becoming the best version of yourself. Let's begin this journey, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with valuable content. Lesson 1. Train your perception. Marcus Aurelius once said, "Choose not to be harmed, and you won't feel harmed. Don't feel harmed and you haven't been." This powerful idea touches on one of the most profound lessons of Stoicism, mastering our perceptions. We often fall into the trap of labeling everything around us, events, people, experiences, like a painter carelessly splashing colors on a canvas. These labels can become chains, binding us to negative emotions and skewing our reality. Imagine walking into your home after a long day, only to find your child has accidentally shattered a beloved keepsake. Instinctively, anger flares up. How could this happen? But what if, instead of letting anger take root, you paused? What if you chose to see the situation through a different lens? Instead of focusing on the loss, you could view this moment as an opportunity to teach patience, to bond over cleaning up, and to remind yourself of what truly matters, your child's well-being and the memories tied to that object, which are unbreakable. This is the essence of Stoicism. It's not the event itself that disturbs us, but the way we choose to perceive it. Often our initial reactions are fueled by raw emotion, distorting our judgment. But what if we chose to dismantle these reactions, to see beyond the immediate frustration, and to embrace a more balanced, optimistic perspective? This simple shift in mindset can transform a frustrating situation into a moment of growth. Marcus Aurelius reminds us that harm only exists if we acknowledge it as such. The challenge of mastering our perceptions lies in consistently choosing to see obstacles not as barriers, but as stepping stones. When faced with adversity, like the shattered keepsake, we have the power to decide, will this break us or will it build us? In essence, Stoicism teaches us to remove the heavy labels we often place on our experiences, allowing us to view life with clarity and resilience. By doing so, we free ourselves from unnecessary suffering, embracing each moment with a heart open to learning, growing, and finding peace in the midst of chaos. 2. Learn to control your emotions. Emotions are like wild horses. If left untamed, they can drag us wherever they want. Marcus Aurelius, a great Stoic philosopher, reminds us that to live a peaceful and happy life, we must become skilled riders, guiding these wild horses with intention. When anger arises, it's like a storm sweeping us away, leading to shouting, blaming, and rash actions. But does that storm truly solve anything? Or does it just make things worse? Instead of letting anger control us, pause and observe it from a distance. See it as a fierce wave that will eventually pass. Similarly, fear is a terrifying monster that can hold us back, making us miss out on valuable opportunities. But if we confront it with courage, we'll realize it's not as powerful as we imagined. Picture fear as a fire-breathing dragon. Instead of running away, face it head-on and stare into its fiery eyes. You'll soon see that the dragon is merely an illusion, and you have the strength to overcome it. To tame these wild horses within us, we need patience and practice. Start by recognizing your emotions. When negative feelings arise, acknowledge them without judgment. Then, Channel that negative energy into positive activities. For example, instead of letting anger explode, go for a walk, exercise, or write in a journal. Marcus Aurelius taught us that we have the power to control our thoughts. When we change how we think, we change how we feel. Remember, you are the master of your mind. Train it to be strong, calm, and clear-headed, like a skilled rider guiding the wild horses of the soul to paths of peace and happiness. 3. Exercise the dichotomy of control. Imagine your mind as a ship navigating the vast ocean of life. Marcus Aurelius once said, "You control the steering wheel of this ship, but you cannot control the winds and waves." The ability to distinguish what you can control from what you cannot is like mastering the art of steering. The winds and waves, things like other people's opinions, traffic jams, or unexpected setbacks, are beyond your control. But how you navigate through them, your choices, actions, and mindset, is entirely up to you. Whenever you face a difficult situation, ask yourself, what can I control here? What you can control is your reason to act. What you cannot control, learn to accept without letting it disturb your peace. This simple shift in perspective can immediately bring clarity and calmness. A crucial part of this mindset is embracing amor fati, or love of fate. Picture yourself as a skilled captain who accepts every wave life throws your way. You can't change the waves, but you can choose to enjoy the journey and learn from every twist and turn. If you miss out on a job opportunity you've been dreaming of, instead of despairing, investigate what led to the negative outcome. Perhaps it was a lack of preparation, something you can improve. Or maybe the failure was due to factors beyond your control, like bias or personality clashes, things that were never truly yours to influence. Learn to love even the difficulties, for they are the challenges that shape your growth. Stay away from fixed outcomes and external measures of success. If you're a writer and measure success by the number of books sold, you're allowing something beyond your control, the market, to define your success. Instead, focus on the effort and passion you've poured into your work, because that is within your control. In doing so, you can always be satisfied with your work, regardless of the outcome. Remember, control is the steering wheel in your hands. Don't let the winds and waves throw you off course. Focus on navigating your ship the best you can. When you only concern yourself with what is within your control and calmly accept everything else, you will always find peace, no matter what happens. 4. Embrace the virtues. Imagine your life as an oil lamp, where the oil represents the virtues you cultivate within. Marcus Aurelius once said, "Look deep within yourself to find the wellspring of goodness ready to flow if you persist." Virtue is the pure oil that fuels this lamp, allowing it to shine brightly in the darkness. Stoicism teaches us that the universe is an interconnected web, where every righteous act not only illuminates your life, but also casts light on the community around you. When life presents you with challenges, virtues like wisdom, justice, temperance, and courage are the guiding lights that keep you steadfast on your path. Wisdom, like a lighthouse, helps you discern right from wrong. Justice keeps you on the straight path, preventing you from straying into selfishness or unfairness. Courage propels you forward, even in the face of the fiercest storms, like a flame that refuses to be extinguished by the wind. And temperance, like a golden scale, ensures you maintain balance, avoiding short-term temptations for long-term happiness. For example, think of enjoying a sweet dessert. Indulging in the whole thing might bring immediate satisfaction, but leave you feeling heavy and regretful. Temperance here is knowing when to stop after a few bites, keeping your mind and body light and free. Wisdom helps you recognize that stopping point, keeping your lamp from being dimmed by fleeting desires. Stoicism categorizes every action as good, evil, or neutral. Actions aligned with virtues are the oil that nourishes the lamp, brightening your life and those around you. Conversely, straying from these virtues is like pouring water into the lamp, weakening or extinguishing the flame. Let wisdom, justice, courage, and temperance guide your actions, ensuring you always stay on the right path and nurture a peaceful mind, shining brightly in the journey of life. 5. Embrace a broader perspective. Imagine life as a vast panoramic painting, but every day you only see a small, narrow part of it. Marcus Aurelius once advised, "When you want to understand life, step back and view it from a higher perspective to see the full picture." In the rush of daily life, we often focus on small details and immediate challenges, making everything seem overwhelming and stressful. However, when you step back and view things from a distance, you'll realize that the problems that seem so significant are just small parts of a larger picture, and they aren't the only things that matter. Think about when you get lost in a busy city. From the pedestrian's view, it can feel like you're surrounded by tall buildings, crowded streets, and no clear way out. But if you could view the city from above, you'd see that it's not an inescapable maze, but a well-organized network of streets with many paths leading to your destination. This change in perspective helps reduce anxiety and allows you to find the right path. In daily life, we often get caught up in minor issues, missing the bigger picture. When faced with a difficult decision, such as choosing between staying at your current job or pursuing a new opportunity, you may feel trapped between stability and ambition. But if you step back and consider the situation from a broader perspective, you'll see that this decision isn't just about short-term benefits, but also about exploring new paths and untapped potential. You might discover options you hadn't considered, like starting a side project or venturing into a completely different field. This shift in mindset can open up new doors and help you find joy and fulfillment in ways you hadn't imagined. Another important lesson from Stoicism is the ability to see things from others' perspectives. Imagine you're arguing with a friend about something you find very important. In the heat of the moment, you might believe your viewpoint is correct and unshakable. But if you step back and try to see the situation from your friend's perspective, you may realize that their viewpoint also has valid points you hadn't considered. This change helps you avoid unnecessary conflict and build better relationships. Lastly, consider the small actions you take daily and how they affect the larger picture of your life. A simple act like littering might seem insignificant, but if everyone did the same, it would contribute to the degradation of our shared environment. On the other hand, performing small acts of kindness, even if they seem insignificant, contributes to making the world around you better. Stoicism emphasizes that everything in the universe is interconnected and that the prosperity of the whole world contributes to your personal happiness. So, whenever you're faced with difficulties or challenges in life, remember to step back and view the situation from a broader perspective. Ask yourself questions like, how will my decision affect others? What are the long-term consequences of this choice? Are there solutions I haven't considered yet? Taking the time to consider the big picture will help you make wiser decisions, free from the limitations of narrow thinking, and lead to a more balanced, fulfilling, and meaningful life. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our playlist for more content that guides you towards success and happiness using ancient philosophical wisdom. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, and if you can, consider becoming a channel member. Thank you so much for supporting Stoic Training.